Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how you can change a menu item's link, just in case you need to update any of your menu items. Let's get started. First, click on your menu element, and on the action bar above, click on Manage Menu. Here, you should see all of your page as items, so hover over the item or page that you want to work on and click the three dot button next to it. From below, click on Change Link. And here, another window will appear. You can select what you'd like this item to be linked to. You can choose to link it to a page, a section, a web address, document, etc., which you can choose from right here. And depending on what type of link you selected, make sure to input the necessary information over here so that you link the items properly. So say for example, if you choose to link it to a page, make sure to select the correct page. Or if you choose to link it to a web address, make sure to input that web address over here and choose how you'd like it to open. So once you're done, your changes will automatically save within the Wix Harmony editor. And if you'd like to know whether it linked properly, you can always preview your site and interact with your page like a real user would. And then try clicking on that menu item to see if it successfully linked you to the correct link you set earlier. And basically, that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.